Where to look for the planets. In the previous lessons, we looked at each of the visible planets in turn. Then we looked at them as a group in the solar system. Now we're going to do something a little different. In one of the first lessons, I told you that the sun follows a special path in the sky called the ecliptic. The key thing you need to remember when hunting for planets is knowing where the ecliptic is, because all the planets are going to be found along it. Even better, the moon travels along the ecliptic as well. So I want you to know where the ecliptic is along the sky. The problem is that the ecliptic moves a little bit each day, but that's okay. You just need a little bit of practice. Another important aspect about the ecliptic is that is also where we will find all of the zodiac constellations. The zodiac constellations were given special names and place because they are on the ecliptic. The sun will pass through all the zodiac constellations once every year. The moon will pass through them once each month. Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn will pass through the zodiac constellations based on their and Earth's orbital period. So Jupiter pretty much goes through one constellation every year. Saturn won't move much at all from our perspective, and sometimes Mars will look like it's moving backwards across the sky. But here's the key point. If you know where the ecliptic is and the sky is just starting to turn dark, and you see some bright objects along the ecliptic before you see other stars and the sky is completely black, then you are probably looking at a planet. As the old poem should go, starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight is probably a planet. Venus and Mercury are tied too closely to the sun to use the zodiac constellations to help. However, knowing where the ecliptic is means you know where the sun will rise, so you know where to look for early morning planet watching. Your homework from this video is to observe where the sun and moon rise and set. Try to think of the arc they follow across the sky. In the next video, I'll show you how to use some apps to help you find the planets and the ecliptic. See you there.